So this is our last example, division tag example, and we created 3 frames here. So is it possible to provide some gap between the one division tag to another division tag, sir? Yes, sir, 100% possible by using the margin attributes. We have margin settings in CSS. 4 margins are available. So margin hyphen left available and margin hyphen right, margin hyphen top, margin hyphen bottom. Left side margin, right side margin, top side, upside margin, downside margin. If you are standing in one area, social distance or corona situation together, social distance. We are now nobody is following, sir. Previous days I'm talking. So 3 feet distance. 3 feet distance between you and in front, your front person, or between you and your back person, sir, or between you and your left side person, or between you and your right side person. You are standing somewhere queue, or you are trying to purchase something. Social distance, not now. In previous days I'm talking. We maintain the social distance 360 degrees angles of only front to back only. Huh?
360 degree.
360 means your front side, your back side, your left side, and your right side. Right now, in all 4 directions, we should maintain the distance. Like that, you in the sense one tag, one HTML tag available. A HTML tag is creating some component right now. Component to front side, component to right side, component left side, component to top side. All 4 sides we can maintain the gap. For maintaining of that gap, margins properties are available. So everything it takes some measurements. Left margin colon some pixels, 10 pixels. Right margin colon some 5 pixels. Top margin colon some 5 pixels. How much gap you require, that is your choice. Just I'm showing how to type it, that's all. How to type it, I'm showing, that's all. So left side margin, right side margin, top side margin, and bottom side margin. These are the margins, right now. Which margin we are using, sir? I'm going to using some right side margin. I'm going to using right side margin. Blue box available, no? First division box, blue box. A blue box right side margin I'm applying. So we'll get the gap between the blue and red. Same way, red box right side margin I'm applying. We'll get the gap between the red and pink box. Margin hyphen right. How many, sir? Not much more, just a small gap, 5 pixels enough. 5 pixels. This is the gap. This is gap. Same point apply for the second division tag. Third division tag, sir. Third division tag not required because after that we don't have any components together. Nothing required. The third box after fourth box also available, sir. Again, we should continue the marches. But third box is the last component too. The rest of things we don't have anything, na? So margin doesn't require, and you get the neatly spaced between all the 3 division tags. This is another CSS property or another CSS attribute. This is your division tags. So what is the purpose, sir? What I said yesterday theoretically, sir. Better designing or effective designing. The same type of designing I want to do without division tags, sir. Possible, sir, but very complication, very tough. 100% possible. Without division tag, we can design this one, but the long code is required. Reason, sir? For now, we applied the margin gap for division tag. Right now, we applied the margin gap for division tag. Now it's indirectly applying for the image H1 tag and paragraph tag also, no? Because while moving of the division tag inside all internal components also moving. If division tag not available, what to do, sir? This margin we should apply on image tag, again on the H2 tag, again on the paragraph tag. 3 times margin we need to apply. And alignment, sir, we give an alignment center. This is division tag. Automatically all internal components are highlighted. Division tag not available, sir. Simple thing, sir. Division tag is not available. Suppose style inside how many attributes we type, sir? Approximately 6 attributes we type. Na? These 6 attributes should be repeated in each and every tag. The 6 attributes should be repeated in each and every tag. Then problem solved. We get the same output. But imagine the code repeating these 6 or 7 attributes in each and every tag, sir. How much code is going to increasing, sir? That is matter. So effective designing and reducing the code complexity. Both are provided by this division tag, and the finally we'll get the results like this. This one is a left side alignment. Right side alignment, sir. Right side alignment, this positions changing. Blue to pink available na. When you go for the right side alignment, sir, pink to blue comes. Float equals to left to float equals to right, I said na. So if you write the float equals to right, sir, pink to blue comes. Alignment change. Alignment change. But this time alignment is going from right to towards to left. That is I said yesterday. Flow to alignment option both not same, different things. Yesterday somebody asked also. This is same as sir. No, no, no. Actual alignment is different to float is different. So float is the filling data order. Data filling order is deciding. Alignment is not filling order. Position change. Can I go for the some are left and some are the right, sir? Yes, sir, we can go it, no problem. But here we don't have that much of space here. Now I zoom. This is right alignment. Lot of gap available. Now I'll do one small thing here. Two left side, one right side, I'll place it. Two left side alignment, one right side alignment. Two boxes comes this corner, one box comes this corner. Who is that, sir? Pink comes right side. First two left side alignment, last one right side alignment. First two left side alignment, last one right side alignment, middle will get the gap. Otherwise, sir, one left to two right, sir. One left to two right, sir. Red also goes to pink side. Here we'll get the gap. The different positionings. Float option, different positionings. Alignments, this is not happens. Alignment meaning completely different. So three division tags we created. Every division tag inside we placed some components right now. And can I place all these division tags inside one more division tag set? 100%. Situation demanding, we can go it. That is not a problem. It generally happens. As I already explained to another website. All are the division tags, and these all are placed inside the main division tag. Next, can I place the division boxes or any components in the particular location, sir? Yes, sir. Yesterday I already said we can place it by using the margins. By using the margins, we can place that one. I mean, we can place the component in the particular area of the screen. The blue boxes comes here. That is the default position. It's the default position because we are not given any measurements. Right side margin only we given. Now I want to change the position of that blue box, sir. Then take the top margin 15 pixels. Not top margin, left margin 15 pixels. Box mode, see that one. Left margin 150 pixels. It's moving some more distance. Top margin also I want to apply it, sir. Okay. Top margin, margin top, 50 pixels. The box getting down. Box is moving to down. Then we placed the box in the particular location. Right now, this is one division tag. I'm just taking the light colors, nothing else. This is first box. Next, I want to create the second box, sir. Sure. And same measurement, taking uniform measurement. But where the positions are. Here also I'm applying the left to 150 pixels and the top is 50 pixels. Now see that one. This is as per your coordinates only. The box is 100% displaying as per your coordinates only. And what is colors are? Take another light color, baby pink. So blue color, pink color boxes. Can I adjust this one, sir? Which place you require? Go to that place. Next, I want to place one more box, sir. The particular location. In particular location, I want to place one more box, sir. Sure, it's not a problem. Change the color. Why you are changing the color, sir? No reason, sir. There is no reason, just like that. And what are the measurements, sir? Left measurement to 450 pixels, top measurement to 150 pixels. Boxes comes like this. Otherwise, left measurement to 850 pixels, top measurement to 100 pixels. This right corner, the box is comes almost right corner. Again, you can move some more distance. 1000 pixels, sir. This is some 60 pixels. So, moral of the story: any HTML component we can adjust the position by using the margins. Any HTML component we can, by default, they are placing as per the internal instructions. Generally, left alignment is going on. In generally, left alignment is going on. So instead of that one, we can decide the position and we can place the components in the particular location. We can decide the position and we can place the components in particular positions with the support of margins. With the support of margins. So now got it, huh? Now this is applicable for only division tag, sir. Don't think like that foolishly, sir. A CSS attribute. One tag is supported attribute, sir. Automatically rest of all the tags also supported. Here situation division tag now, so I implemented on the division tag. That's all. Again, this is supported division tags only. Label tags not supported. Or heading tags not supported. Paragraphs tags not supported. Don't think like that sillily. So every tag is supported. There is no doubt at all. Every tag is supported. But remember that one small note I'm giving here. So what is that, sir? The margins, how it is going to calculating, sir? Margins calculated based on the your previous components, sir. Actually, here how much I given the 50, 60 pixels. But 60 pixels and the green box white comes the so much of down, sir. This is 60 pixel, sir. No, sir, this is not 60 pixel. Maybe approximately this is 400 pixels. This is 400 pixels. Then why the 60 pixels it's showing we given, but it comes in the so much of so far away, sir. The previous component calculated. The distance is calculated based on the previous component. You see that one I'll show here. This is screenshot. This is screenshot of the our browser right now. I can now see that one. This is calculation portion. If bottom, pink bottom is there, na? This pink bottom. From here onwards, it is calculated the 60 pixels. Now see that bottom of the scale to green box, how much distance we have, sir? It is 60 pixels. This is called as 60 pixels. This gap is called as 60 pixels. It is calculated from here. But what about the 800, 1000, what we 1050 you said, sir? 1050, that gap is this one. I'll show the small thing here. Exactly position I'll draw it. So both lines are coordinating. Na? This is 1050 pixels and this is 60 pixel. 60 pixel calculated from the bottom of the pink box. Line not counting properly. 60 pixels calculated from the bottom of the pink box. The calculation process, sir, not from the beginning of the screen. Our previous component also the same thing. A pink box, how it will comes in this location, sir. We given the left margin 250, top margin 50. So this is left margin 250 and this is top margin 50. Next here also we have some gap. What is this gap, sir? 150, 50. This is 150 and this is 50. So matter is this one, sir. Margins calculation, margins assumption, like this format.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello. Sir, if I want two margins, two boxes in the same line, I want to apply float method, sir.
Why, sir? You can give the two margins in same equal, sir. You want to get these two boxes, you can write 150. That's all. Both comes in the same line, na? The top margin. So we got the in same line.
Sir, means that like not, sir. It's horizontally I want, sir. In the same line.
Horizontally, follow yesterday's explanation.
Float method, sir.
Um,
Yeah, okay, sir.
Next, we are moving to the another tag, another component. So what is this? List tags. List tags. What is the use of this list tags, sir? Simple things are list tag used for displaying the information in points wise. Displaying the information in points wise. I think all of you know some MS Word knowledge. In MS Word, we have the bulleting option and numbering option. Remember anybody? Bulleting and numbering options. That bulleting and numbering options are our current tag list tags. That bulleting and numbering is our current tag list tags. So bulleting number options in MS Word, what they are doing is displaying the information points wise. In front of the points, some serial number is comes 1, 2, 3, 4 serial number. Otherwise, one special symbol is comes every point before. So I want to display my data also in the points wise. I want to display my data in the serial number wise. For that, we have the list tags. How many list tags we have, sir? Two list tags are available, sir. OL is available, UL is available. Order list, unorder list. OL stands for order list, UL stands for unordered list. So two lists available. OL means it's a bulleting. Sorry, it's numbering. It's numbering. And unordered list UL sir, bulleting. Bulleting style. UL displaying the points in the bulleting style. OL displaying the points in the numbering style. Which numbering sir? That one we can choose. There is no problem. We can choose that one. It's not a problem. So first we'll start with the OL order list, displaying the data with the numbering format. So how many varieties of numbers it supported, sir? 5 varieties it is supported. 1, A, small I, and capital I. These are the 5 types of or 5 varieties of numbers. 5 types are 5 varieties of numbers. So we have the chance for 5 types of numberings. Normal numeric format one, small alphabets is another one, capital alphabets another one, small I is a Roman number, small Roman number, and then capital Roman number. So total 5 varieties of numberings we can produce. 5 varieties of numberings we can produce. What is the default, sir? One is the default. One is default. When you are displaying the points, if you are not given any clear instruction, automatically displays with 1. Automatically displays with 1. Next, OL is a pair tag. It is a pair tag and a block level element. It is a pair tag and a block level element. And here we have the one more tag, LI tag. LI full forms are list item. List item. It is also pair tag and block level tag. And moreover, it's a sub tag of OL tag. It's a sub tag of sub tag. Sub in the sense child tag. You can also call it as child tag or sub tag. Sub tag of OL and upcoming concept UL. Both OL and UL tags. LI full form list item. LI full form is list item. It is also pair tag and it is also block level element right now. And it is a sub tag or child tag of the order list and an unordered list. This tag you must be used inside the OL tag. Subtag in the sense you must be used inside the tag only. So what is the use of LI tags? List items. It is listing the items. Your points available and the points are generated by the LI tag. Already OL tag available, sir. Coming to that only. Points are generated by the this tag. That points numberings are allotted by the this tag. One tag printing the data, another tag allotting the numbers. Both distributing the work, sharing the work. Example, our marriage functions here. Marriage lunch, marriage followed by dinner available. Na? In lunch, dinner, 10 items available. 10 items, same person serving us, sir. Impossible, gather. One person plates, one person glass, one person water, one person sweet, one person hard, like this now. Similarly, this is generating the points. What are the points it is generated? For those points, it is alerting the serial numbers. So both interaction, interrelated tags. Two tags compulsory. The syntax is comes like this. OL is the main tag. Inside LI tag is comes. LI tag your data here. LI tag is close. How many points you want to display? That number of times this tag should be repeated. I want to display the 1,000 points, sir. Repeat 1,000 times. Repeat 1,000 times. There is no other option. So number of points, so how many you want to print it? Decide it first and repeat the tag that number of times. and this is the syntax. So now we are working with numbering, order list. Numbering we are going to work. List tags and demo order list. Demo on order list. That is nothing but a numbering. Next one, bulleting style. In MS Word, we have these options. In MS Word, we have these options. Next here I'm going to applying one small option also, style option for body tag. Why is that? Our screen's getting in white color now. Our screens are displaying in white color, generally our web page screen. The total color I want to change it as screen total color. We change the background color of heading, the division tags, etc., etc. I want to change the screen color of the screen color, sir. Yes, for that also we have to apply the same property background. So which color you require, just select the color. Now the total screen color changing. Total screen color
We
was
can
changing.
also use a BG color, no, sir?
BG color don't use here. Use the background color only.
Okay, okay.
Next is tag OL LI. And what are the points we have to display it, sir? Your interest here. Data should be in the points format. Examples, sir. Rules and regulations, terms, privacy policies, information, guidelines. These all are points only. You want to display your rules and regulations, your norms, your company norms, you want to display it. When you are taking the policy rules and regulations. When you are opening the bank account, bank rules and regulations. All this becomes as a order list and unorder list only. All these are the order and unorder list only. When you are filling application application form backside, we have a lot of points. 50% of human beings, they are not checking that one. This is called as the rules and regulations. Uh, in our websites also, we have those things. In our websites also, we have those things. Once if you go for the Flipkart, sir, in Flipkart inside also, we have the so many things. Here the dot is there, no? These are the order list and order list only. Listing all the banks names and terms and conditions it's showing. These all are the current topic. Because here we have the last some points, EMI options. This is also our current topic only. If they created with the same tag or not, I don't know that one. You see that OL tag. OL, LI, 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 LI. Proof, or live example. Proof or live example. So OL tag they used here. What I'm doing, sir, I'm also copying the same data. Just copying the same data, displaying the same data with the numberings. This is heading. This is heading. We're displaying the points, how to make the payment by using the EMI card option in Flipkart. Point close. Second point close. Third point close. Want to close. You can go and check it. This is option. So points 1, 2, 3 serial number. See that the data is displayed by the LI tag. Or numbering, how it will come, sir? We are not given any numbering, sir. Numbering duty, this one. Numbering duty, this one. All default settings. All are default settings. This is. But Flipkart displaying the symbols are the bulleting style. Next topic. Now same points we displayed with the serial number. After a few minutes, so we are displaying the same points with the same symbol also. A dot symbol we are also displaying. So this is your order list to unordered list to what is the purpose, sir? So this is the purpose. Flipkart also using the tag. Not Flipkart, company related 90% of websites they are using these stars for displaying of their privacy policies, for displaying of their terms conditions, for displaying of their rules and regulations, listing of banks, listing of colleges, listing of selected candidates, listing of teams, listing of places, like that. A lot of times list available. Next, the same list I want to design with my own numbering style, sir. 1, 2, 3, I don't want, sir. You can go for any of that one. So how, sir? The first property we are using here, type equals to, right? Which type of numbering you require? Type equals to 1, sir. We'll get the 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering. We'll get the 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering. Heading also I'm repeating here. Wait. I don't want 1, 2, 3, sir. Write the alphabet. If you type the small alphabet, we'll get the small alphabets. ABCD. Small alphabets comes. If you type the capital alphabet only comes. If you write the small I, small Roman numbers comes. Small Roman numbers. If you type the capital I, capital Roman numbers are comes. Total 5 models. Total 5 models. So which one you are interested, you can go through that one. No problem. So I'll go for capital ABCD here. This is option. Next, I'm using one more new tag also. That is HR. New tag in the sense, so I think we are using first time. New tag is nothing but then we are using first time. What is HR means, sir? Horizontal row. HR stands for horizontal row. It's just drawing a line between the previous list and this list. I want to separate the both lists, so I need a divider. A divider I'm constructing here. HR. Line drawing. Horizontally drawing a line. So this is like as a row divider. It is just dividing your data. HR horizontal row. It's just simply drawing a line. Line colors we can change, sir. Yes, sir. By using CSS settings, we can change that. I'm not going to change it. So line color or line background color or line thickness, so everything we can change it. That is not a problem by using CSS attributes. Next, once again, one more list I'm preparing here. One more list I'm preparing here. This time type we already use. Some other option I'm going to focus on. What is that other option, sir? Reverse option available. Normally we are getting the numbering A to Z to 1 to N like this. I need in descending order, sir. Here if you observe, all points are displaying in the ascending order, lower to higher order. I need the numbering with the reverse order, higher to lower, sir. Yes, possible, sir. For that, reversed option is available. Reversed, rev1. This is reversed. Now see the last list, D, C, B, E, A. Numbering, it comes in reverse order. It's also called as descending order. Next to here, ABCD, we have 26 only, sir. But numbering say that we don't have, sir, 100 to 1000 points also you can print it. But 100 points displaying with ABCD's alphabets possible, sir? Yes, possible, sir. But to 100 alphabets not available, sir. No, 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 available. A to Z 26. After that, AA, double A. Next double AB, AC, AD. Again A to Z. Another 26 comes. After that, BA, BB, BC, BZ. Like as our bike's registration numbers available, na? And the same series, it will continues. Our bike registration numbers, alphabets comes together. At the same series, it continues. So there is no problem in number of points. There is no problem in number of points. You can give any number of points. Our numbering is going to existing itself only. Observe now here, we have one more option, that is start with. Normally, if you are not specified anything, they starts always with the first number, A, otherwise 1. Type equals to 1. It starts with 1, right now. But I don't want start with 1, sir. I want to start with my required numbering, sir. You can write start with any number here. Start equals to 101. So my serial number is starts with 101. My serial number is starts with 101. See that bottom. 101, 102, 103, and 104. If it is alphabet, sir, alphabet also same. I mentioned the capital A, sir. Now alphabets also starts with 101. Now alphabets 101, alphabets not available, sir. No, no, no. Here we have the CW. The serial number starts with the CW. How, sir? I want to first to A to Z 26 over, sir. A to Z 26 over here. Next to AA to AZ. AA to AZ. Another 26 over. Next to BA to BZ. Another 26 over. Next is CA to CZ. Another 26. You gotta count it all. 180, 80 plus 24, 104. Total is 104. But we given 101 only, na? Get down. So total 104, we need -3 also. So CZ gone up. Before that, CY gone up. And before that, CX. And starting number is 101. Starting number is 101. So CW. This is 101, this is 102, and this is 103, and this is 104. That is here the numbering. So alphabets also you can give any number, that is not a problem. Alphabet supported and the numbering also supported. You want to start the numbering with a certain character only or certain numbering only. Your sentiments available now. As per that you can go. There is no problem. If I write here 27, sir. If I write here 27, sir. See that exactly 26 over 27. Double A, AB, AC, AD. Simple. If I write the type equals to 1, sir, 27 the starting number. If I write the small I, sir, 27 starting number. XXVII. XX means 10, 10, 20, V means 5, and II means 1, 1. So total 27. So this is another option to assign the serial numbers. Next, can I apply the some colors, sir? That you don't ask, sir, that type of doubts. Because the colors, settings, margins, you don't need to ask me. If you're asking me and you're not following the subject properly. Simple. Next, is it possible to display the nested list as sir? Yes, sir, 100% possible. Nested list displaying 100% possible. The main list inside sub list is comes. The two OL tags are comes. One OL tag, that OL tag inside one more OL tag. The main points are sub points, sir. Main points are sub points. This is the matter. So this is main point. Upon your purchase products eligibility business something, it's a main point. GST invoice entity name not for all products. These are the sub points. How you can say, sir, position, observe the positioning. You can also identify that one. Observe the position. This point available outside, this point available inside. Okay, this is the major point. In that, these are the sub points. This is main point, and these are the sub points. This is nested points. Again, this one is comes outside. See that here sub points are completed. Again, main point is started. Sub points are completed. Again, main point is started. That is matter. So this is nested list. Because here also we have the ABCD options. Now websites we have these options are compulsory, but generally we are not checking these things. Reasons are we are busy with the shopping only, not busy with not reading any terms and conditions, etc. As a customer, that only we are seeing now, the secondary thing. Okay, nested list I'll show later. So link changed today, right now? It's confirmed. So it's confirmed. Now what are the candidates are available? These are the final candidates. Matter is. I'll create the Google link, sir. I'll create the Google link here, Google Drive, and I share the notes. The HR tag, sir, I already explained, yes, sir, HR tag. As not splitting of the screen, sir. Where I split the screen, I'm just drawing the line, sir. It's not splitting of the screen. I'm just drawing a line. I already explained HR tag. After explanation only, I used that one in my program. Maybe network problem. I think you are not listening properly. Something happened. First, I used HR tag and I explained the few information about the HR tag. Then I implemented in the program. It's not splitting the screen. It's just drawing a line, dividing the data. The data separation, I need some small line. For that, I used the HR tag. Explain, sir. Without explaining, I am not used anything.
Sir, can we use HR as a dash?
Dash. Now hyphen, sir. You can use hyphen only.
Means I want to.
You can reduce the height and width by using the width and property, height property available. So by using those, we can reduce the. You can control the size.
No, I was asking for that design, sir. That hyphen. That.
Huh?
You're asking that line into some other designs like hyphen, like that. You're asking. Like.
I'm asking you is we can use as dots.
Yeah, that's a design. Some other designs to draw the line, like dot.
You can type like this.
Yeah. Asking like that.
The manually you have to type that one. How much length you require, that number of times you have to type like that.
Okay.
As manual typing here, tag not available.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Sri Balu.
Thank you.
Just check your chat box here. I dropped a message. I mean that link, Google link I just dropped. All of you, your chat box. I just dropped a Google link. When you click on that link, directly my folder is opens. Doesn't require any logins and doesn't require any passwords. You just touch that link and it opens my folder directly. You will like this. And save that link anywhere in your mobile or in your bookmarks or somewhere. Right now, daily don't ask the links are because the same link I'll continue up to the end of the HTML. Every day, what I'm going to explaining, I'm uploading in the same link only. So keep it that link permanently in the sense up to the last explanation of HTML. Sir, my link gone, sir. I forget the link, sir. Don't say these type of childish reasons. Because you are not that level now. So save in your mobile or add to your bookmarks so somewhere you can access that one.
Sir, how?
Every day I'm updating daily explanations in the same link only up to the last day of HTML. Again, CSS link change. HTML will continue the same link. CSS will change the link. Now, Bolaji,
Sir, how to open, sir? My drive not coming.
huh?
I'm unable to open, sir.
Just click on that link, sir.
In chat box.
Chat box, I dropped one link now. I shared a link in chat box. See that one?
It's yeah. Got
You
it.
just click on that link, it opens.
Okay. It's not opening.
It opens here. Check it here, all of you. Somebody saying it's not working, sir.
So it is working.
Yeah, it's working.
Working, sir.
Huh?
Working, sir.
So a link, keep it safely somewhere in your mobiles or in your computers, or you can add to your browser bookmarks or somewhere. From today onwards, what I'm going to explaining daily up to the end of the HTML, that every day updations I'm going to posting in this link. So here we have the notes, so MS Word document available here, and examples folder is available. Examples folder will have the programs, and here HTML document available. From the first day of our batch, what we discussed. First day I explained what is HTML, what is CSS, and what is JavaScript. Remember? Anybody? HTML purpose, CSS purpose, JavaScript purpose. From that day to up to now, every minute-to-minute explanation how in this document. Of course, we have some lot of additional information also available. Apart from my explanations, we have extra information also here. Every detail available. And we discussed some tags, sir. Yes, tags information also available. You know, title tag, link tag, printing tags, heading tags, paragraph tag, tag syntax explanation, available. Okay, balance things we'll see in tomorrow's session. And notes daily. Somebody you asking na, I shared the notes and refer yourself and practice yourself properly. Okay, na? Bye bye. Tomorrow we'll continue.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. I have one small doubt. I actually know
Huh?
this many days I'm using Notepad. Yesterday I was trying to Notepad plus plus. This Notepad plus has some settings is required. I don't know that one. Please explain me that one.
Notepad.
Yes, Notepad plus plus.
Uh,
Some settings is asking so that one. I don't know that and all. I'm not able to work
it's
that
not
one.
asking
Please.
any settings here. Just install it.
No, sir. Actually, yesterday I will trying that one. I have. um,
No, it's not asking any settings.
Okay.
It once again, maybe which software you downloaded. Notepad plus plus. Notepad plus plus, right? Huh?
Yes, yes.
It's not asking any settings.
So actually
Maybe
colors that and all
maximum if it
not
is asked.
showing that one, sir.
Huh?
Colors that and all not showing.
Colors. After saving the program, you will get it. Before saving the program, you are not getting colors.
Okay.
First type the program one line and save it. You will get automatically colors.
Okay.
Colors comes after saving only. Otherwise, generally what we are doing, file menu, new file you are taking here right now.
Yes, sir.
The new file. When you are taking this normal text file, even my system also colors not come. So you see that one.
Okay.
Because you are taking the plain file. Plain file never shows any colors.
Okay.
See that HTML I typed already here, but I'm not getting any colors. The file menu, new, take the HTML page. You will get colors automatically here. This program without colors, this program with colors. See that one. Based on the choosing your file. Based on choosing of your file.
Your extension. Based on their extension, it will.
Okay, which file you are choosing here, then the colors are going to deciding. Otherwise, if you save once the program, then colors are comes automatically. See that same program I am saving here. First type one line, not more lines. Just type one line.
Okay.
Save it. Some a.html. Save with a.html. You will get automatically colors. Next lines you will get automatically colors. Once if you saved, automatically it comes colors. No sir, without saving, I want to get the colors. Change the your file selection. File menu, new HTML page you have to select, not normal file. You must select the HTML page. Then you will get automatically code also like this.
Okay.
Same option available in our Notepad++ also. Please check it once.
Okay. Thanks.
हे दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द चटपट टॉय टीवी। आज की वीडियो में मैं अनबॉक्स और 12 इसको भाई को मैंने गाइस मैं काम कर रहा हूं तो अनबॉक्सिंग और कर रहा हूं